Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to create a Discord verification system using the Dyno bot. So first of all, what you're going to do is press on the Discover tab and then just type in for Dyno. It should search up, and actually I've done a oopsie here. You're going to have to go into Apps, then search Dyno. Then it should pop up as just the first one, Add App, Visit Site, and it will redirect you to dyno.gg. So let me just show you that. It will redirect you right here. You're gonna want to log in with Discord. So once you've done that, press authorize, and once it's connected, you're gonna go back into here and add servers. So press on your server, then go into modules, and then type in reaction roles. You're gonna want to turn it on. Go into settings and choose the name. So I'm just gonna call it tutorial man 240. You're gonna choose the channel where it happens. So I have a channel called verification. I want it there. Just choose what kind of message that you want. So plain message, react here. You can choose as a button, as a drop down, or reactions. We're gonna choose reactions. Add reaction. You can choose the type of emoji you want to use, so let's just use this one, and it will give you the epic roll, for example. Once it's pressed, press save, and as you can see now, when we go back to your Discord server, in the verification you can see the app from Dyno. Press react, and then as you can see we have the epic roll. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.